Hello, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending on which part of the world you're seeing our videos from. This is Enuani Cultural Forum, and you're welcome on board. Today, we are looking at a very important topic, a topic that has continued to stir debate and generate discussions along ethnic lines. People from Igala would want to lay claim. People from Igbo land will want to lay claim. People from Benin as well will want to lay claim. In the end, I want us to just examine the truth of the matter. Let's do some verisimilitude. Let's check the truth content of this discussion. We're looking at who owns the word Odogwu and who owns the Odogwu Chieftaincy title. I would like to begin this video by stating clearly, without fear of equivocation, that Odogwu is not a nickname. Odogwu is not what you call guy name or AKA or alias. Odogwu is a functional chieftaincy title in Igbo land. Listen to it again. Odogwu is a functional chieftaincy title. I have come across a social media handle of people bearing the name Odogwu Lagos, Odogwu Asaba, Odogwu this, Odogwu. If the community or the people decide to take actions against such person, it will be very brutal. Odogwu is not a nickname. It goes beyond the surface name, Odogwu. What does it mean? Who can be called Odogwu? What does it mean to be called Odogwu? Who is an Odogwu? And is the word Odogwu of Igbo origin, Benin or Igala? What fueled this live video is an article I read yesterday on social media. I wish I can read the article to you, but I cannot because what is contained in the article is half-truth. So there is no point reiterating half-truth. Okay? So that we don't reinforce lies. Let's dive in and know what is Odogwu. Who is Odogwu? Before I will tell us about Odogwu, I will tell us about another chieftaincy title that is senior to Odogwu. Then we can get to Odogwu. What is that chieftaincy title that is senior to Odogwu? In western parts of Igbo land and most part of the eastern parts of Igbo land, there are three classes of chiefs. Three classes of chiefs. The first one is administrative chiefs. Second one is war chiefs. And the third one is palace chiefs. And then you have ceremonial chiefs. I'm not interested in ceremonial chiefs. I'm looking at traditional hereditary chiefs. The chiefs that are traditionally hereditary are chiefs that are in a lineage, a bloodline. It is not a ceremonial chief that the king gives at his pleasure and withdraws. A traditional hereditary chieftaincy title holder cannot be derobed. He becomes a chief and he remains a chief for life. So, what are these three classes of chiefs called in Igbo language? I am interested in the class of chiefs called Okweyase, or you call it Okwonou. The title is Iyasele or Iyasei, while the greeting that comes with it is Onou. So in most Igbo communities, you can just see them as Onou title holder, greeted Onou, while in some you will see them as Iyase title holder or Iyasele or Iyasei, greeted Onou. Who is Onou and what does Onou mean? The Onou title holder, that is the Iyase title holder, is the head of war chiefs. He is called the defense minister. In some communities, they like to be referred as the traditional prime minister, but all those are English. The Iyase is in charge of the territorial integrity of every community. He protects the boundaries. Now he has a retinue of chiefs. There are so many chiefs under the Iyase, such as Isaba, Okwelegwe, and importantly, Odogwu. Odogwu is simply a war chief, but I've not gotten to Odogwu yet. I will explain what Odogwu means and who owns the word Odogwu. But let's deal with Iyase. Iyasele, Iyase, or Iyase, or Iyese, whichever one it is called in your community, simply means Onowu. 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 Some say Onowu. Onowu. N'asụsụ Igbo, it is either ine mmadụ ndụ ka ọ bụ ya ene ọnwụ. Onowu. Ine mmadụ ọnwụ, that is, you oversee their destruction. That is what a war chief. So in Igbo titles, in Benin, where it is believed that the word Iyase came from, where some people usually shout, this is a Benin title. Huh? The Iyase of Benin is greeted Lauwieze, in reference or in deference to the first Iyase of Benin, who is an Igbo man. His name is Ezechima. So Lauwieze is the greeting of every Iyase of Benin, signifying that the greeting, the word, the origin of Onowu title is Benin. Because even in Benin, the Iyase is greeted Lauwieze till date, not ancient times. Good morning, my dear brother. I salute you. So I don't know if I said this when I started the video, but I am doing this video in reaction to somebody who is claiming that the Odogwu title belongs to Bini people. Some have even said it belongs to Igala. That is why I'm making this video. I'm making this video to clarify. So stay on, join me. Please also share this video so that more people can join us. I've clarified and established that whoever holds the Iyase title is holding what is called Onowu title. So even in Benin, whoever is called Iyase of Benin is greeted Lauwieze, in reference to where the Onowu title came from. So in other parts of Igbo land, if you hold the Iyase title, you are greeted Onowu. In Benin, you are greeted Lauwieze, referring to Ezechima. That is for Iyase. And I said Iyase title holder is the head of all war chiefs. Next to Iyase is Odogwu. Who is Odogwu and what is the meaning of the word Odogwu? That is the aim of this video. Please give us a thumbs up. Welcome back. Welcome back. So I had established that whoever bears the title Iyasele, Iyese, Iyase is holding the Onowu title. But it is mostly in west banks of Igbo land. Even up to Oguta in Imo State, they have Iyese. It simply means Onowu. Go to that community, the Iyase is greeted Onowu. He is the prime minister of the community or the defense chief. All these things are English words. In Igbo culture, their work is to oversee the boundary and ensure the territorial integrity of the community. Also, to perform traditional rites when somebody dies or commits suicide. That is the Iyase title holder. But we are interested in Odogwu, who owns the word Odogwu and what is the meaning of Odogwu. In this class of chiefs called Iyase, the war chiefs, the defense chiefs. Odogwu is like a captain. In lower words, the warlord. Odogwu is the one who leads the soldiers into battle. Hence the name Oduogu. Oh God. I have done this video several times before. Perhaps the person who was trying to twist our history didn't read it. So he's making a mistake and disgracing himself on social media because he has Igbophobia. Oduogu, not Odogun, like they call it in Benin. They can call it Odogwu in Benin. It doesn't matter. It means Oduogu, the one who leads the fight. Warlord. That is the meaning of the word Odogwu. And he is a member of the class of chiefs called Okwiyese, the rank of Iyese, the class of chiefs called Iyase, Okwiyese, war chiefs. So anytime you hear somebody called Odogwu, know that the person is a war chief. It is not a nickname. Every Odogwu is a war chief, must have gone to battle, must have also gbuo mmadụ, o mepugo mmadụ ọbala. Ọtụtụ Odogwu gachaa ya lụọ, a na-ayọ wit isi mmadụ, lie ya n'azụ nọ ha n'ebe enwere ogiri isi tree. So that when you are arguing with Odogwu, he will ask you, ishi mmadụ ole ka ị bepụrụ lie n'azụ nọ gị? One day I will take out time, if there's no restriction to the video, and explain the rights an Odogwu performs that makes him an Odogwu. So Odogwu is a war chief in Igbo land, not in Benin. I have seen an Igala man narrate that Odo means war, Ogu means, I don't know what he said to me, I combined the two and he said the word is an Igala word that Igbos popularized it. One said it's a Benin word yesterday. And I asked him, what is the greeting of the chief called Odogwu? He has disappeared since yesterday. He has not returned. We are not diving into things we have no knowledge about. This is an area where we are thoroughly knowledgeable. The Odogwu title holder is greeted Abe. Some people call him Odogwu Abe. If you want to call the name of the lineage where Odogwu comes from, you will say Umu Odogwu Abe. All Odogwu are Umu Odogwu Abe. Where is Abe? And what is what is the meaning of Abe? God bless us. If you're just joining us, please give this video a thumbs up. I'm so excited sharing this knowledge with you. I am very, very happy. You can see how relaxed I am because I am diving from one word to another, explaining its meanings. We have explained the Iyase. We have explained the greeting of an Iyase, which is Ono. We have explained now Odogwu title holder. Odogwu is a title, not a greeting. The greeting that goes with Odogwu is Abe. What is the meaning of Abe? I wish what I'm doing here is an ordinary video so that I can record it and then later share it. If you're just joining us, please, please, please share this video to your audience and give us a thumbs up. If you are not yet a subscriber, hit the subscribe button right away. Something exciting is going on here. Share this video to your Facebook. We are looking at what is the meaning of the word Odogwu? Who owns the word Odogwu? We have explained that Odogwu is a chief under the class of Iyase, Okwa Iyase. So whoever is called Odogwu is a chief under the class of Iyase. Iyase is the defense minister or prime minister, while Odogwu is the warlord, like a captain. Why Odogwu is prominent is because he is the one in the heat of the battle. So if he is a type that is very fierce, anytime he comes back with victory, he is celebrated. Iyase coordinates. I said the greeting of an Odogwu is Abe, and I asked, what is the meaning of Abe? Abe is presently, as we speak, a prominent community in Okwane, and every Odogwu is called Umu Odogwu Abe. If you see an Odogwu, greet him Abe. Don't mind what their greeting is in that community. Just greet the Odogwu Abe and he will respond. Abe means Kaibiri. Kabiri, shortened as Abe. Kabiri, let's live. The greeting of an Odogwu is let's live, because an Odogwu will not let you live. I don't know if somebody is with me. If you're seeing this video, please comment on it so that I can see. I can also hear your thoughts. The mantra of Odogwu is Kabiri. If you see an Odogwu, you greet him Kaibiri. Don't say the Kaibiri thing, just say Abe, and he will respond. Every Odogwu is greeted Abe. The man who wrote about Odogwu title yesterday, attributing it to the Benin's, I asked him, what is the greeting of an Odogwu? And what is the meaning of the word Odogwu in Benin? He disappeared. This man I'm saying is over 60 years old, and he's a renowned writer in Enuani. I also think he's watching this video. I believe so. He's a renowned historian, but he disappeared. Some things don't come by age. They come by how much research did you do and how willing are you to give out what was given to you. The knowledge that was given to you, how willing are you to pass it down without adulterating it, without hurting your own ego? Because the interviewer's bias, the academia of the bias of the person who did research is also there. Some of you, they will give you the truth. You want to tell it in a way to favor your community. The man who is doing this, his community has two settlers who founded the community. The other one is from Onri. That they call them the Oboli people. The other one is from Isu. So they call them Ndi Ibuzu Isu or Ndi Oboli Nshi. Their name is very prominent and well known. But still this person goes about castigating Ndi Igbo because of maybe his personal hatred. Please let me open up everywhere. We just experienced a power interruption, so that cannot stop my video. Let me just open up everywhere so that we can have better lighting. If you're just joining us, please give this video a thumbs up. Also share to your audience so that we can have more people watching. Welcome to Enuani Cultural Forum, where we promote the rich cultural heritage of Ndi Igbo. So, like I explained, the man who is saying that Odogwu is not an Igbo word, I asked him two simple questions. One, you said it's a Benin word. He spelled it as Odoggun. Odogwu. It's not bad. In Western Igbo land, we usually add N at the end of our words because we are nasalized, so much nasalized. So I asked him, what is the meaning of the word Odogwu in your Benin language? And what is the greeting of an Odogwu in your Benin language so that we can learn too? He disappeared shamefully. So I promised all lovers of Igbo culture that today I will explain the meaning of Odogwu, I will explain the meaning of Iyase, and I will do a video and a post. But for me, videos are not always explicit enough. I said it is better that I do a live video, not a recorded video that I'll be cutting and joining. I don't want to have my editing team would delay me. And I want that wrong impression corrected immediately. So I said, let me go live. And they said, okay, I can do a live video. That's why I'm doing this live video, explaining that the Iyase title holder, even in Benin till today, is greeted Laweze. The greeting respects the fact that Onowu title holder is an Igbo man. So till today, the Benin people greet the Iyase of Benin Laweze. After the Iyase, the next in command among the defense chiefs is Odogwu. Some Benin's have Esama. We don't have Esama. There's no Esama chieftaincy holder in Western Igbo land. We have Isaba not Esama. That's Esama. So the Odogwu title holder, Odogwu. The Odogwu is the warlord. He is a member of the class of defense chiefs. Odogwu. His greeting is Abe, Kaibili. When you see an Odogwu and everybody likes to say Kaibili, please let's live. Let's live together. Let's live in peace. Let's live in harmony. That is the greeting of Odogwu. So Odogwu is an Igbo greeting. It is an Igbo word. The greeting of an Odogwu is an Igbo word as well. Iyase, Iyasele is a Benin corrupted word, a Benin origin word, but the position itself is Onowu. And I said even in that Benin, the person who holds the Iyase title is greeted Lawieze. Move from Benin to other parts of Igbo land, western parts of Igbo land, Abo, Ubuluku, Iseluku, Ogwashuku, Asaba, all these places there, Iyase is called Onowu or greeted Onowu, even in Oguta, Imo State, because they are sons of Ezechima. Ezechima is the first Iyase of Benin. I don't know if we are following this. If you are following, please give us a thumbs up. Okay, we are trying to explain something very important here, because if we keep quiet, these people will twist and turn our history. We are not dragging anything with anybody. We are not doing expansionist theory like they say in Igbo. You want to overcome, you want to dominate everybody. Nobody is trying to dominate anything. I am not the one who asked the Beninese to be greeting an Iyase Laweze. When the chief David Edisiri late explained this greeting very thoroughly, he explained the greeting called Iyase and the origin of Ezechima before he died. A Benin man. So I am not saying my own point of view. I am saying from all sides. The word Odogwu is an Igbo word. The greeting of an Odogwu is an Igbo word as well. Kabiri. So Odogwu is greeted Abe. So they call them Umu Odogwu Abe. Umu Odogwu Abe. Anytime you see somebody that bears that title, there's another title called Ozoma. The Benins have Ezomo. They are not. Ozoma and Ezomo are not the same titles. In fact, I like the way G.T. Basden represented it in his book. He said, Ozoma in Igbo land and Ezomo in Benin. In bracket, he said, if these two are related, they are not related. Ozoma in Igbo land is the immediate younger brother of a king, and they must be of the same father and mother. You see how very remarkable it is. Ozoma, O-Z-O-M-A, Ozoma is the immediate younger brother of a king. What is his position in the community? He is a top-ranking chief. He is a member of the class of administrative chiefs representing his brother, the king. So that if there is any plan to topple the king, he will be the first to alert his blood brother to say, there is problem. Whatever the outcome of the meetings of chiefs are administratively, he will be the first to pass it on to his brother, the king. He is called Ozoma. The Ezomo Nuzebu of Benin is a different title. He is not related to the king. In fact, he's a war chief. But the Ozoma in Igbo land doesn't go to war. Interestingly, the kings in Western Igbo land and their administrative chiefs are not war chiefs. That is why in Igbo land we have classes of chiefs. I'm talking of Igbo land, and when I say Igbo land, I am not saying all parts of Igbo land, because every community have their Odibende. So this is basically it. My aim today was to correct the erroneous impression that Ozoma title holder is holding a Bini title. No. When I end this live video, I am also going to do a live video on Facebook where I can make sure I drive down this point. I don't want our people misled in any way at all. If you saw this video, I'm going to end it very soon. If you saw this video and it interested you, the topic we are discussing here interested you, please share this video massively to your audience. Thank you for joining Enuani Cultural Forum, where we promote the rich cultural heritage of Ndi Igbo. Please give this video a thumbs up. If it gets to 20 thumbs up now that I'm seeing it, I can continue. Because the impression I'm having here is that people are not online watching. So I want to switch to Facebook where I can also do the live video to pass this knowledge so that people cannot be spreading lies about us. Odogwu is an Igbo word. Established, I know that. Even when they were spreading that Onitsha is not an Igbo word, it is an thing. Oh, people are even liking the video. I have 10 likes now. So please, keep it coming. Keep it coming. Keep it coming. If I have it up to 20, I can leave this live video to continue for the next 15 or 20 minutes. Otherwise, I can switch to Facebook as well so that we can share this knowledge massively. If I end this, it is important that we will continue to share this knowledge. Wow, 14 thumbs up. Okay. I am bound to continue this. 15. Interesting. I'm bound to continue this. Okay, so what led me to do this live video is that I'm going to be here now for the next 10 minutes. Let me hope. So what led me to do this live video is that yesterday I read an article where somebody was describing the Odogwu, the word Odogwu and its origin, and he's attributing it. He said no. The person is an Anyoma person. A person who continually denies his Igbo identity, and he's a historian. I said no, this is not true. So I asked him two questions. If this word is still a Benin word and is a chieftaincy title in Benin, is it still existing in Benin? If yes, what is the greeting? And what does the word Odogwu mean in Benin? I'm just interested in knowing. The man disappeared. People can spread, and what I'm saying is a well-written article that does not even talk about the important thing. If you are saying something is from Benin, tell us what it means in Benin. If you're saying it's from Igala, tell us what it means in Igala. Beyond the word, then we go to the greeting. There's a title, there's a greeting. Some titles are their own greeting.